Sony has just pulled the curtain back on its much-anticipated hybrid mirrorless camera, the Sony a7 IV. After months of rumors, leaks, and a long wait, the a7 IV is finally making its debut, and it's already generating major buzz in the camera community. This release isn't just about specs. It's about Sony pushing the boundaries of what creators can expect from a hybrid camera. Whether you're shooting photos, filming documentaries, or capturing content for social media, the a7 IV promises to offer serious upgrades that matter. Welcome to Lens Loop. If you're passionate about cameras and creative gear, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes the Sony a7 IV such a game changer. Refined sense of performance. At the heart of the a7 IV is a full-frame sensor that aims to balance resolution with speed and low-light performance. Early information suggests it may feature a newly refined 33-megapixel stack sensor. This technology allows for faster readout speeds, improved detail in shadows and highlights, and better handling of motion, helping reduce rolling shutter artifacts in both video and stills. Next-gen autofocus intelligence. Sony is known for leading the autofocus game, and with the a7 IV, that trend continues. Enhanced real-time tracking and advanced eye autofocus for humans, animals, and birds are expected to be included. These features are said to be powered by a smarter AI engine that can more accurately detect and lock onto subjects, even in difficult lighting or fast-paced environments. For sports, action, or wildlife shooters, reports suggest new subject recognition algorithms are being introduced. And if you're shooting in dark environments, expect better AF performance, even in near total darkness. Cinematic video capabilities. When it comes to video, the a7 IV is rumored to deliver in all the right ways. It supports high frame rate recording in 4K and possibly 8K options, depending on final specs. New codecs may help deliver stunning video quality without producing enormous file sizes, with an improved cooling system, possibly borrowed from Sony's flagship models. The a7 IV is built for long recording sessions without overheating, even at high resolutions. Stabilization and dual gain ISO to further enhance video quality. The a7 IV could feature improved in-body image stabilization and a rumored dual gain ISO setup. This helps maintain cleaner images in both low-light and high-contrast scenes, perfect for cinematic productions or event work. Battery and power efficiency. On-the-go creators will be happy to hear the a7 IV continues to support Sony's trusted battery system, with optimizations that could extend shooting time even further. USB power delivery (PD). Support may allow for fast charging and operation via power banks, ideal for mobile setups or long shoots. Design and handling. The a7 IV isn't just about internals. The camera is expected to feature subtle yet meaningful design upgrades. A deeper grip could improve comfort for extended use, while an upgraded electronic viewfinder will offer a clearer view in bright environments. A fully articulating touchscreen, similar to the one found in higher-end alpha models, should provide better control for vlogging, low angles, or vertical shooting. Better weather sealing and a more intuitive button layout make it even more appealing to creators working in varied environments. Connectivity and workflow enhancements. Speed and convenience are essential for modern creators. The a7 IV will likely support Wi-Fi 6, faster USB-C file transfers, and dual card slots compatible with both CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards. These features are designed to streamline your workflow, whether you're transferring large files or backing up on the fly. Integration with Sony's Imaging Edge ecosystem could allow for seamless remote shooting, wireless transfers, and even cloud-based backups. All signs point to the Sony a7 IV being one of the most versatile and powerful hybrid cameras in its class. With its rumored blend of AI autofocus, high-quality sensor output, pro-level video capabilities, and creator-friendly design, it may very well set a new standard for mirrorless market. As always, official details will confirm what's under the hood. But if Sony delivers on even half of what's expected, the a7 IV could easily become the go-to tool for both photographers and filmmakers. Thanks for watching Lens Loop. If you found this breakdown helpful, give a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know what you're most excited about in the A7 IV. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss future camera insights, guides, and reviews. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep pushing your vision forward with Lens Loop.